How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. In this one we have Ember Mug 2 in gold edition. I've actually got one here that we're going to unbox and see what it's all about and what it does and why you should consider this if you love your tea or coffee like I do. This is actually something to consider, and it could be a good Christmas present or just a nice Black Friday deal if you look online and see if you can snap up a deal. I don't even know if this is available on Black Friday deal, but anyway, it'll be a great addition for Christmas presents and that kind of stuff. Let's have a look. So inside the packaging, you get the mug itself in this gold, fine gold edition, which looks amazing. You also get a saucer as well, so a coaster I call it, which is also your charging plate as well. So if you place it on there, it means you can enjoy your coffee or tea nice and hot throughout the day. You don't have to worry about battery running out in the actual mug itself. But if you don't want to do that, the mug without the saucer, if it's not plugged in all the time, the mug itself can actually last for an hour and a half with 10 ounces of water in there. So that's 295 milliliters of hot water inside of the mug itself. Now, it doesn't get hot on the outside, so don't worry about actually holding it like that so it doesn't get really hot or scalding hot at all. But the mug itself, it's very safe. You can wash it inside water. I think you can submerge it or submerge. Anyway, you can get in water up to 1 meter of water deep as well. So you can wash it, hand wash it, don't put it in your dishwasher and so on. Elsewhere inside the box, you also get your charger as well. So you get different pins as well. So in the UK, I'm going to use that 3-pin that's inside the plug, inside the box. And you also get your user manual and all that information. And a sticker in there as well to spice things up if you want to stick it on things and that kind of stuff. It also works with a phone app. So you have to download the Ember app. So with this app, you'll be able to customize the LED light that you can see at the bottom there. So this LED light here that you can sort of see, let me bring it closer here. So you can customize that light, and that light also indicates when it's fully hot as well. So you have to set the temperature of what you want to boil, whether it's tea or coffee. So that will indicate change the light when it's fully hot to the temperature that you've set it to be as well. And you'll keep that temperature until you finish the whole thing, and it will tell you when it's empty or when you need to fill it up as well. So you know what to do there. Elsewhere, you also have auto sleep, so this thing will know intelligently when to turn itself off. So when you're not using it, there's no point leaving it on and burning your battery off. So this will turn itself off in that sense as well. What you've also got is temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So 50 degrees C to 62.5 degrees C. So you can set the temperature that you want that suits the way that you enjoy your coffee or tea. So in the application itself, the first thing you see is the temperature of what's already inside the mug. So if it's empty, it will just say it's empty. And if you pour hot water in there, it will tell you what temperature it is. And then you've got the dial at the bottom, which you can scroll left and right. And that will allow you to change the temperature that you want it to be. If you go into the three lines, the menu lines on the side, you can go into My Devices. And in here, you can see what devices you have available. And in settings, you can personalize it. So in personalizing, you can change the color of the LED lights that I showed you guys earlier. And you can change the brightness as well. You've also got your battery level. So it will tell you how much battery you've got left in the mug itself. The temperature unit as well. So you can change that from Celsius or Fahrenheit. So depending on where you are. In the UK, we use Celsius mostly. So we'll change out, use that. You've also got notifications as well. So this will notify you when your tea is ready. So imagine you're working and your phone's on the side, docked on the side. Once it's ready, it will pop up as a drop-down notifications, for example, and then from there you can start drinking your tea or coffee. What you've also got is if you go up from that temperature scroll area, you've got loads of presets available, and you can also add to it as well and edit them as well. So you got like heat and off if you want to turn it off completely. You got latte, cappuccino, coffee, black tea, green tea, and then you got your tea timer as well. So it's the tea that I drink, you have to brew it for like 3 minutes to get really good quality tea out of it. So again, I've set it there already, or it's already preset on here actually. So you got green tea at 3 minutes, black tea at 5 minutes, and herbal tea at 6 minutes. What I love about it is there are recipe areas as well, so you can go through some of the recipes to create yourself things like lemon, honey, ginger tea, golden milk. Some options available there that you can change. You can select and make some sort of preset, some sort of recipe, and make something different and get adventurous in that sense. I think overall for £129.95 here in the UK, you're getting really, really good quality mug here. And it's just not any other mug. It's also something that self-heats your tea, your coffee, keeps it nice and warm and hot throughout the day. So you don't have to worry about that stuff. Or keep having to top up and warming it up like my partner does. She puts it in the microwave to warm it back up when it gets cold. So it's really good in that sense, and I love Ember products in general. They look slick. I like this gold edition as well. It looks amazing. And I don't really have anything bad to say about the mug itself, apart from maybe the price is a bit steep for some people compared to just buying just a regular mug from Amazon and, you know, warming it up in the microwave. But again, like I said, you are getting the benefit of that self-heating technology in there. So again, for me, it's worth it. But for you, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But that's it for the Ember Mug 2 in the gold edition, guys. Let me know as always in the comments below what you think. All relevant links will be in the description area as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe and share this video as well. And yeah, if you do get one, let me know as well. Hit me up on Twitter or Instagram at GadgetsBoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.